nut driver. Best way to do that is with a screw gun, and just take out the 5/16 screws holding in this back panel. Because I took out a few that I don't need to take out.
Seconds, then put it back on.
Alright, so the next thing is to identify where your drain is. You'll see a clear hose and then a copper 90. Now, you can put a pipe cleaner up here, just a soft bristled pipe cleaner, flexible, even as simple as a straw will work, and you can push. And if you can pull the 90 off, then it makes it even easier to take your soft bristled brush or a straw or whatever you have in there, and you're all from the front side not able to work on doing right now. F16 screws removed. You can either lift this up and just out of the way right here, and again that's where you can push a soft bristled, anything that's plastic and flexible. Even this zip tie will shove in there, and then you can push. Now we just gotta